Because saying I don't like this sometimes feels very uncomfortable. Laughter, same captions every weekend, everyone looks like they're having the best night of their life. और अब सबको ये words पता है जैसे notes, finish, aftertaste. And at that point, let's just be honest. You're not here for the drink. You're here for the signal. If you've ever ordered a drink just to look good or stayed at a bar longer than you wanted, this video is for you. This isn't really about alcohol. By the end, you'll see that Indian drinking culture isn't about what's in your glass, it's about the status, the validation, and being seen. And if you disagree with what I'm about to say, let me know in the comments below. In countries where wealth is old, people drink for habit or taste. In countries where wealth is new, consumption is a status symbol. And drinking becomes a way of saying, I belong here, I'm doing okay, and I've made it at least for tonight. And that's the context that most people miss. Most people can't explain why they like a drink, but they can tell you exactly how much it costs. And then they order drinks they don't even enjoy to show off to people they don't even like. Because saying, I don't like this, sometimes feels very uncomfortable because you may not have the palate for it or the money for it. And that is when quietly price becomes respect and expensive automatically means good. Bro, this is expensive, to acha to hoga hi. A context and a line that we keep hearing every single time. And that one sentence explains a lot. You start seeing people spend money they don't really have to impress people they don't even like in places they don't actually enjoy. Someone orders a bottle that costs more than their monthly grocery bill, and a month later they're stressed about how expensive life is. And the worst part is that clubs just amplify this mindset. Indian club culture isn't really about music. It's not about dancing. And honestly, it's not even about drinks. It's about being seen, the same mirror selfies, same low-light videos, same fake laughter, same captions every weekend. Everyone looks like they're having the best night of their life while quietly thinking about how much the bill is going to hurt. It's like playing a character from 9 PM to 1 AM and then Monday hits and real life starts again. What really gets me is how we have copied Western drinking culture. हमने vibe तो copy कर ली, लेकिन relationship copy नहीं कर पाए. और अब सबको ये words पता है जैसे notes, finish, aftertaste. But nobody drinks slow enough to actually notice any of it. You'll hear someone say, bro, ये whiskey कितनी smoky है, इसमें कितने smoky notes है, and then they will down it in a shot and ask for a chaser. And at that point, let's just be honest, you're not here for the drink, you're here for the signal. And this pressure hits men especially hard. For a lot of Indian men, drinking is the only socially acceptable way to let go. You can't say you're overwhelmed, you can't admit you're tired, you can't say that you're struggling, but you can drink. So drinking becomes confidence, drinking becomes masculinity, and drinking becomes freedom. And that's why drinking is more respected and less questioned. And it stops being about alcohol, it becomes about proving something. And yeah, there are people who genuinely enjoy alcohol. There are bars in India doing thoughtful, interesting work, and there is a real drinking culture here. But it gets drowned out because of the loud status that really beats the quiet enjoyment. So the problem isn't actually in drinking. The problem is that in India, drinking has become a shortcut to looking successful. And when your self-worth comes from optics instead of reality, everything becomes performative. And जो लोग खरीदे वो actually alcohol नहीं खरीद रहे, they're buying validation, a pause from pressure, proof that they're doing okay. And honestly, real money doesn't need to be shout. Real class doesn't need proof. And real enjoyment doesn't need an Instagram story. And if this made you uncomfortable, good. That means it landed somewhere true. Now, to be fair, while this culture exists, there's also a real bar culture in India with game changers. Bartenders who are putting themselves on the map and the country as well. People like Navjot Singh from Lair, Hemant Pathak from Junoon, Ashi Bhatnagar from Cobbler & Crew. They've really paved the way and shown the world what Indian bartending can be. So yeah, not everything here is performative. There is talent, craft, and real drinking culture happening too. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.